Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn problem number 1 from LeetCode. Problem statement is two sum. Okay, so given a array of integer numbers and a integer target. Okay, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, so you must assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so you can return the answer in any order. So if you have number like 2 7 11 comma 15, each has comma after another. So 2 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15. Okay, so target equals to 9. Okay, so output equals to 0 and 1. Okay, so explanation, because number 0 and I mean at index 0, number of index 0 and plus number of index 1 equals to no, 9. Okay, so here you can see 2 plus 7 equals to 9. So we return 0 and 9. 0 and 9. Here you can see example number 2, 3 2 4. Target equals to 6. So we got output 1 comma 2 because at one index we have 3 and index 2 we have 4. So our output equals to, sorry, in the index 1 we have 2 and 3 2 we have 2. So our output is 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Explanation 3, number equals to 3 comma 3, target equals to 6. So we got output 0 comma 1. So here you can see 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So guys, I am going to explain it. So first of all, I need to create a class. Class equals to solution. I'll lead code problem from in this class. Okay, so in our lead code problem we need to define class solution, I mean same class. Okay, I need to define one function. So this is our function. Define two sum. Okay, so this is the function and this is the reference reference for the class, and here this is the number for input. Okay, so this is for our input list and integer. Okay, this is the target. We will expect it like a target sum we are looking for it. Okay, so this is the target, this one. Okay, and numbers, this is the input. Okay, and this is the list in integer. So method this is a method return a list of two indices. Okay, this one and this one, and after that I need to define one HashMap. HashMap equals to dictionary. HashMap equals to dictionary. Okay, so HashMap equals to dictionary to store number we have seen. Okay, so for I comma number in enumerator. Okay, for I now comma number in enumerate nums. It will give us like index and values. Okay, and it iterate. It iterates in this list. In this list of numbers. Okay, one by one, that it has 0 and numbers. And complement like CUMP equals to target. Okay, target we have 6, 9. Okay, so target minus number, uh, any number from here. Okay, like 2, 7. Okay, so if 9 equals to target, we are going to minus target minus number. Okay, so if we minus if we like a if we take a 9 as a target here, 9 minus number, if we have first number is 2, so 9 minus 2 equals to 7, so we got number 7 here. So 2 plus 7 equals to 9, so we are looking for this target. Okay, so I think you got it. If uh, complement in HashMap return HashMap CMP complement comma I. Okay, otherwise HashMap number equals to I. I got error because I forget to put semicolons, colon or semicolon. Okay, so output has been accepted. So here you can see we have class solution for all the problem of LeetCode. We need to define class solution. Okay, this is a fixed class. Okay, and this is the function number, and number in list is a input, and this is the target we are looking for it. Okay, so this is a method return a list of indices. Okay, and here for I number in sorry HashMap is equals to dictionary that we store that to store number we have seen. Okay, for I comma number enumerate numbers. Okay, for I comma numbers enumerate numbers. Okay, so this is for if you have a list which has number, and I for index of these number, and numbers like if you have a list 1 2 3 4, then n equals to number. Okay, so it is used for a trade this list. And complement equals to target minus number. If you have target equals to 9 and number equals to 2, so we got complement equals to 7. Okay, if complement in has map. Okay, so yes, 7 in our I like in has map, so return has map complement like 7 and index of it. Okay, and has map number equals to I. So guys, if you understand it, please do write in comment that you can understand it, and please do share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please bye bye, take care.